Redlines and strikeouts. Contracts can be amended using redlines and strikeouts or strike-throughs. A strikeout is what it sounds like. The information that needs to change is struck through, leaving the original information still visible. The new details are typically underlined. The amendment is generally introduced using a simple statement. Example: Introduction. Each party agrees to amend the contract with the following deletions, shown by strike-throughs, and additions, shown by underline. Original: On this day, October 21, 2014, Contractor A assigns the following. Amendment: On this day, November 7, 2014, with October 21, 2014 struck out, Contractor A assigns the following. Replacing clauses. Rather than striking out old data and underlining new, it is possible to replace a clause that needs to be changed with a completely new one. The amendment will need to be introduced before the new clause is inserted, just like with redlines. Example: Original: This agreement will be governed according to the laws of New York. Introduction: Section 5 is entirely replaced by the following. New clause: This agreement will be governed according to the laws of California. Replacing clauses is particularly useful when multiple changes are necessary. Describing amendments. An alternative to replacing clauses or using redlines and strike-throughs is to describe simply the changes needed in an amendment. This method requires examining the current contract carefully to be sure that the changes outlined are accurate and necessary. Example: The second sentence of Section 5 is amended by changing New York to California. The third sentence strikes out for 12 months and replaces it with for 24 months. Describing amendments can be faster than the other processes, but there is a higher risk of error when both parties are not careful to compare the original document to the communicated changes. Amendment status. Amendments are not automatically accepted and included in contracts. Both parties must agree to and accept the changes. With modern technology, amendments are easy to process and track. Most software and systems have different statuses for amendments created, but they use similar terminology. For example, Oracle categorized amendments as pending, ready, completed, or canceled. Once an amendment is created, it is pending. It can still be edited or canceled. After checking to make sure that no further edits are necessary, the contract is moved to ready. At this point, the amendment can be sent back to pending or canceled. After the ready contract amendment is processed, the status is completed. Without the use of technology, both parties will need to physically sign off on the changes.